Hello, I am Esther. I'm going to make a Spritz today. It owes its name to the Austrian occupation troops in the 19th century who used to ask for a Spritz, a spray of water, in the wine they considered too strong. The Spritz as we know it today has spread since 1920 in Venice with the release on the market of light liquors such as Select, Aperol and Campari. With the Spritz I'm going to serve some crouton and I'm starting by toasting some bread, sliced bread, in the grill oven. The first crouton I'm going to make is a Crostino Toscano. We will need some chicken livers, some butter, some anchovies, a small onion chopped, some sage, some cappers, and half a glass of white wine. Melt the butter in a pan, add the onion, the anchovies and the cappers that have been cleaned from the salt in water. Cook in low heat, mixing now and then until the onion will be soft. Add the chicken livers. Add the leaves of sage and season with some pepper. Don't add the salt because of the capers that are already salted. In case we will add later. Raise the heat and add the white wine. When it's all well cooked, take off the leaves of sage and put it all in a cutting board. Chop with the knife until you will reach a creamy compound. spread the compound on the crouton. For the second crouton, we will need 2 sausages, about 150 grams of stracchino cheese, and a tablespoon of Grana Padano cheese. Remove the skin from the sausages. Mix the sausage with the stracchino cheese, the tablespoon of Grana Padano, and a little bit of pepper. Spread the compound on the croutons. Cook in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that is 392 Fahrenheit degrees, until is well brown on top. Spritz is 3 parts of Prosecco, 2 parts of Campari in this case, and a spritz of water. We don't like the water in the spritz, so we didn't put it. Salute! Enjoy!